Welcome back guys, Jack here at C247.com. We've got another exciting unboxing video today. The one in question is the new Samsung S21. Just wanted to say guys, before we get into the video, that the Samsung S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra are now available at C247.com. So we'll leave a link in the description and you can go check it out. So guys, here we have the Samsung S21 unboxing. Let's get right into it. Upon opening the box, we'll be greeted with the Samsung S21 phone, as is in grey here today. Inside the box you also have this wallet here. Inside we'll find a charging cable, that is USB-C. And you also find your quick start guide. You might notice that there is something missing. There is no charger or earphones in the box this year, very similar to iPhone's recent launch of the new iPhone 12. Samsung say it believes gradually removing the accessories from its phones could help make them more sustainable. Let us know what you think of this in the comments and be sure to take a look. Right, let's take a closer look at the Samsung S21. Right guys, let's get right into it. Of course, most importantly, the price. The Samsung S21 5G, there is no 4G variant this year, comes in at £769. That may seem like a lot of money at first, however, the Samsung S20 when it launched last year was £899. It seems this year Samsung are trying to make the S20's features a little more affordable. So let's take a look at the S21 from the outside. On the back you can see we have a slight redesign of the camera. It looks much better than the S20 last year. It is worth mentioning, however, that the back now has a new plastic case, which basically means it's plastic that is meant to feel like glass. For us, it doesn't really work. You can tell it's not the same quality you could expect from glass. However, Samsung do say that it is more durable. On the screen itself, on the front, we can see that it has a 6.2-inch AMOLED display, bringing the great quality you could expect from Samsung, and it does have a 120Hz refresh rate. Other than those changes, it's pretty much the same on the outside. You get your normal power buttons and volume buttons on the sides. You also have a USB port, but no 3.5mm audio jack. On paper, in regards to the camera, the Samsung S21 and S20 are basically the same. It has a 12 megapixel main camera, a 64 megapixel telephoto camera, and another 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. It can also record in 8K video, but the big change this year is the new modes that come along with the S21. There's one called Director's View, which will allow you to use all cameras at the same time and allow you to flick between them at your leisure. And we can't forget about the new Vlogger's View. As part of Director's View, it allows you to use the front and back cameras at the same time. For you aspiring vloggers out there or veteran vloggers, this may be the new perfect tool for you. Of course, being Samsung's latest device, this does come with Android 11 as well as Samsung One UI. In terms of storage, it comes with either 128GB or 256GB of storage. However, you will only get 8GB of RAM versus the S20 on launch with the 5G variant did have 128GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. Let's talk battery. The S20 and S21 both have the same capacity of 4,000 milliamps. You might expect slightly better battery life from the S21, however, thanks to chipset and software improvements, though the difference won't be massive. In terms of charging, it comes with 25-watt wired charging. You also get wireless powering and bilateral charging, which allows you to use the S21 as a wireless charging pad. So guys, on the whole, we do really like the S21. In comparison to the S20, we can see it does have a few minor differences. It does come in at a lower price point, but I think you can see the drawbacks, especially on the feel on the back. It's not the end of the world, but if you're looking for a more premium feeling phone, maybe the S20 is the best bet. But the S21 does come with amazing internal features. You get your storage and the RAM variants that you like, and you also get the amazing camera and screen. So, thank you very much for watching guys. Don't forget, we'll have more videos coming soon. You can let us know in the comment box below of what you'd like to see and we'll try and make it happen. Thanks for watching guys. Jack here at C247.com and we'll see you next time.